Todd and Julie Chrisley received prison terms of 12 and 7 years, respectively, for tax evasion and fraud. Stars Chrisley Knows Best. Julie and Todd Chrisley are on their way to prison. According to a press release from the U.S. Attorney's Office, Todd Chrisley, 54, was sentenced to 12 years in federal prison for bank and tax fraud offenses on Monday by U.S. District Judge Eleanor L. Ross, while Julie Chrisley, 49, was given a 7-year sentence. The husband and wife team, who were found guilty earlier this year, were also given an extra 16 months of probation apiece and a court-mandated payment of restitution, the exact amount of which will be decided later. When EW asked for comment, Todd Chrisley's lawyer didn't get back to us right away. Prosecutors had predicted that Todd would get up to 22 years in prison and Julie up to 12.5 years before the sentencing, according to the Associated Press. The Chrisleys were found guilty in June of tax evasion, bank fraud, conspiracy to deceive the IRS, and bank fraud. According to the AP, Julie was also accused with wire fraud and obstruction of justice, and Peter Tarantino, the couple's accountant, was accused of conspiring to cheat the IRS and knowingly filing fake tax forms. Tarantino received a 3-year sentence on Monday as well. U.S. Attorney Ryan K. Buchanan stated in a statement on Monday that the defendants defrauded banks out of tens of millions of dollars over the course of a decade while evading payment of their federal income taxes. Their lengthy sentences reflect the magnitude of their criminal scheme and should serve as a warning to others tempted to exploit our nation's community banking system for unlawful personal gain. Carrie Farley, special agent in charge of FBI Atlanta, continued, as this sentencing proves, when you lie, cheat, and steal, justice is blind to your fame, fortune, and position. The FBI is proud to work with our law enforcement partners at the IRS and the U.S. Attorney's Office to pursue and prosecute individuals that are driven by greed to evade the law. A new indictment was brought earlier this year. The Chrisleys were first indicted in August 2019. 3 weeks passed during their trial.